got some. Okay, so here we got some dual zone YCCs, carrier 38 YCCs. Couple of carrier 38 YCCs right here. Dual zone, I think. Let's get these out of here. Oh, actually, it's a heat pump. You can see the reversing valve. Oh, well, not really, because it's kind of dark. Well, I'll try to make it quick. It's got a Copeland screw, I think. It's actually an Alliance screw. I'll be quick. I still can't get to the gate sheet. Yeah, I'll try to be quick. Oh, I can't even read that. That's with a GE GE motor. Okay, right there. Yeah, this is also a heat pump. It's got a Copeland reset. Yeah, that is not very legible at all. Yeah. That's gotta just downside, but whatever.